Salama, welcome to Generational Impact for Yeshua. I'm Chuka. Today I'm going to be doing a presentation of the phrase 6-7, the popular phrase 6-7, what it's all about. This has been brought to my attention because I do have children that attend elementary school, and they brought to my attention that they've heard a lot of children that stated this phrase 6-7. And I've heard it also myself, including from staff members who are mentioning this. A lot of schools have banned it. Find out that it's actually, part of witchcraft. This was popularized by a rapper named Skrilla from his song called Doot Doot 6-7. And it's been popular, and especially in elementary schools. A lot of children have been saying it. Include staff members, and some schools, like I said, have banned it. But every now and then you still hear some children say it. And so pretty much I'm going to be doing a presentation what's about. Like I said, it was popularized by Skrilla, who practiced as a religion called Santeria. It originated from Cuba, and it leads back all the way back. Actually, it originated all the way back to the Yoruba tribe, in Nigeria. So it's pretty much the Santeria is just the worship of the same gods that was, some of the people there in Yoruba, they worship, these deities called Ogun and Yamaya, and I'm not saying that everybody does, but the people that practice it. And then during the time of the slave trade, in the transatlantic slave trade, when our people, who are Hebrews, who have been scattered all throughout the four corners of the earth, including the Yoruba, the Igbos, because that word Igbo actually connected with the word Iber, all right? Descendants of Iber, one of the grandsons of Shem. So we migrated there in the east of Africa, in the west. Africa is in the land of Shem and Ham, one of the two sons of Noah. So they migrated there in the west, especially a lot of the Hebrews, especially in Nigeria. The Igbos, in the east, the Yorubas, who are also Hebrews too in the west. So all throughout the years that we have lost our way. Being rebellious against the Most High, worshiping other gods. He said it's going to happen.